Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will be showing you how to host a free website. Nothing really important, just a simple, let's say, personal website, or for a small business or something, just to give some information. We're gonna be showing you how to host a website with Google Drive, 100% free, with a domain name too. So before we begin, we actually need a website. I got Google Web Designer over here, so I created a little website over here just for the demonstration. If you want to try it out, Google Web Designer is currently in a beta stage, but it's really cool. It also got animations and like here's a preview of the animated website that we're going to be uploading to Google Drive. So before we begin, let me first of all save the file as an HTML. There you go, index.html. Yeah, you gotta name your file index.html or whatever HTML, but I prefer to have it named like that. And then once we have our web page saved and we know the location, we're going to go to our Google Drive, which is over here, and create a new folder. We're gonna name it, let's say, web page. Now we got our new folder over here, which is empty. Now, before we continue on, it is very important that you are currently using Google Chrome. I mainly prefer to use Waterfox or Firefox, but for this tutorial we're gonna be needing Google Chrome because you need to be able to upload folders as a whole. Now we're gonna go over here to the side panel and right click onto our folder, which is web page, and go to share. This is gonna load this screen over here, but we're not gonna actually put anything over here. We're gonna go hit over here which says advanced, and this is the link to share which says access only to collaborators, and here that says private. We're gonna hit change and hit it on public on the web. Then hit it save, and now as you can see this folder is public. Now we're gonna hit done, and this folder that we have created, our web page folder, is now public. So anything that we upload over here is accessible. Now that we have our folder set as public, we're going to upload a new file. Right click onto the over here and hit upload folder. Now we are going to navigate and find the folder that we have our web page saved in. Let me go to my documents, scroll down, and there you go, Paracrew web page. This folder contains my index.html and the assets. If you have not done so up to now, you need to have all your index folders and anything that has to do with your web page in a specific folder. So I'm going to upload this folder, which is Paracrew web page, that has all my files in it. Now give it a second to upload. Now once this is uploaded, it will become public itself. All its assets will become public. So you can actually give the web page access. You can give people access to your web page without needing any sort of permission, logins and stuff. So it will be a normal web page. Now give it a second. There you go, upload complete. Now once we have, now we're in our web page folder and we have this folder that has our web page inside it. We're gonna double click, and there you go, we have our index.html, which is our web page, as you can see. Now we're gonna right click it and hit preview, and there you go, you have your HTML over here, which is the code. You do not see the actual result yet, but now what we're gonna do is go up to the URL, and as you can see we have the two parts over here. We're gonna copy all this up to the first dash. We're gonna copy it and go to, and now go open a new tab and go hit Google drive.com/host/ and paste the part that you have over here, and then hit enter. Now we're gonna have to give it a second, and there you go, we have our web page which is loading. As you can see, we have our web page over here, and this is the URL. As you can see, the URL immediately changed. So let's do this once again. Let's go Google drive.com/host/ the part that we copied, and now we're gonna copy this as a whole. Copy, and let's see our web page work once again. As you can see, the web page is working fine, but this is not a domain name. You want like something, for example, paracrew.com or something, but this is paid. Unfortunately, you have to pay for these domain names. So what we're gonna do is go to let's open a new tab, go to search, and hit .tk. This is gonna bring up the search result, which and www.tk. Open this, and we are going to register a new domain name for free. What we have done up to now is we have the free file hosting, we have the files on Google Drive and our public, which is the hosting part, and now we're gonna need a domain name. So let's think of a domain name, for example, Paracrew, if that is not already registered. I hope it is not. Yep, Paracrew is not registered. Now we're gonna register this domain, and we're gonna hit over here which says use your new domain, forward this domain to. Let's erase this and paste our URL, which is like googledrive.com. Let me add an HTTP. googledrive.com host/ the part that we copied, which is our HTML file. Now this is the registration length. I'm gonna put it up for 1 month, or actually for 12, or actually it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put it for 1, so it is only for this example. I'm going to enter the CAPTCHA, and I'm going to hit continue without signing up. If you actually want to update your domain, create tiki links and stuff, you're gonna have to sign up, but I'm gonna go continue without sign up. And I think the web page just got stuck. Oh no, actually it's working. There you go, we have just registered http paracrew.tk. Now let's open a new tab and hit paracrew.tk, hit enter. As you can see down here, it's loading the data from Google Drive, and there we go, here's our free website. Unfortunately, we still got the Google Drive icon up here, but I think you can actually change that through HTML, but I'm not sure. There you go, we have our web page. Let me click my hyperlink, which directs to my YouTube channel. And there you go. It actually works. Anyways, if you have registered a .tk domain for like 12 months, never forget to actually refresh the domain. There you go, here's my channel. Don't forget to refresh the domain like every once in a while, so that you still keep the domain for yourself. And whenever you need to update the web page, unfortunately, with this method, the file is set to stone. We cannot change this file, like remove it and add another one, because it will have a different link. What is this? Oh, this is my other app. So we're gonna have to right click it, and come on, get out of the way, stupid window. We're gonna have to right click it and go to preview, and then we're gonna have to edit it, like open it with HTML editing. And once we have our updated web page, let me accept this. Once we have our updated web page, we're gonna copy its HTML and overwrite the HTML of this file, so it will be basically the same file with the HTML getting updated all the time. So that's how you update your web page, if you are interested in actually updating the web page since you have first uploaded it. And I guess this is it. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. See you next time.